Feeling good? You're about to feel even better. I'm Simon, a trader with 7 years of experience, and my win rate is almost 89%. Today, I've got something mind-blowing for you. These are my trading results for the past week. I recorded all my steps for a whole week just for this 10-minute video. Now we'll break down my strategy. It hits the jackpot based on analytics, knowledge, and calculations. Grab a tea, everything will be a piece of cake because you've got me. Hey guys, Simon here, the guy with 7 years of trading under his belt. I won't brag, but my win rate is a solid 88.7%. I've got something important to tell you. Have you ever thought how cool it would be to join a team that works daily with real market opportunities? Right now, over 15,000 people are learning and applying my experience by following my live actions in real time. In my private community, I share daily trade ideas that help you understand how to work with the market. Simple step-by-step instructions that are clear even for total beginners. The most effective methods I've developed over my 8 years in trading. Most importantly, access to the community is absolutely free at the moment. But opportunities like these don't last forever, so go hit the link in the description right now, subscribe, and start growing in trading. This is your first step toward real change. I'll see you in the team. All right, ready to kick things off, shall we? First things first, we're heading on over to the trading platform and getting it ready. All right, let's set the trade time to 1 minute and hey, the deposit rate is 100. This strategy has already netted me over 30,000. And the best part is that it's based on classic risk management. So kissing your deposit goodbye, not gonna happen. Now let's set our candlestick time frame to 30 seconds. Onto the currency pairs. Today we're going with Aussie and the Canadian dollar, Aussie and the Swiss franc, Aussie and the New Zealand dollar, the Australian and the US dollar. All of these currency rates are boasting a juicy 92% rate. Sounds good. And last but not least, the secret sauce, our analytical buddies, the stochastic and the RSI indicators. Stay tuned till the end and I'll break down how they work and how they help understand the chart. Now it's time for the grand reveal of one of my safe strategies. Your undivided attention, please. The Australian and the US dollar. Both indicators are screaming price hike, and those bullish candlesticks, they are itching to break through the resistance. We gotta be careful and wait for the perfect entry point. We're seeing some movement. Let's click higher. And boom, this was a smart move. We went in with caution and clarity. As a result, 192. But attention here, we'll stash away the 100 and invest the rest 92. Got it? I'm not gonna use my initial deposit because if something goes wrong, I'll still have it. Aussie and the New Zealand dollar, the chart doesn't seem primed for an upward movement, plus the stochastic indicator signals a drop in buy interest. Let's go with lower. Very good. We're keeping 100 aside one more time and investing 176 again. All right, Aussie and the Swiss franc. Both indicators suggest a downward trend. A strong bullish bounce ends with sellers pushing the price back to the previous support level. We're opting for a lower trade here. Trading is like an orchestra. I've written a foolproof strategy and my Telegram subscribers just follow me. They are my violins, each with its own sound. Together we create a beautiful symphony. Just yesterday, we made 494,000 together, which is over 700 per person. How about that? And if I tell you I do 3 trading sessions a day, like that? Then click the link in the description and the first pinned comment and join my Telegram channel. There's room for all the violins in my orchestra. Meanwhile, trade number 3 nets me 438. I'm steadily growing while keeping my initial deposit intact. Beautiful. The Australian and the Canadian dollar. The volume on this asset is relatively low. We can see that from the short candles. This indicates buyers lack the strength to push the chart upward. Let's go with lower. $749, no need for envy, anyone can do it this way. Let's adjust the deposit rate. Moving on to the Australian and the US dollar, it's evident that buyers have exhausted their potential and we're likely looking at a downward movement. Both indicators confirm our prediction. Let's hit that button. I'm passing on 7 years of trading wisdom, so it's time to show some appreciations. Hit that like button to put a smile on your personal trading coach's face. $1,346, and it's a fantastic result. We now have 346 saved up and we're investing 1,000. The Australian and the New Zealand dollar, judging by the ratio of green and red candles, buyers are more active on this pair. They're pushing prices to new heights. I suspect this pattern will repeat itself even after the red candles. Here we go. We've reached 2,266. Can you guess how much I'm investing now? Just 1,000. Why? Because there's no need to be greedy. Chasing bigger gains can lead to bigger losses, so don't be greedy, guys. Aussie and the Swiss franc, sellers are clearly dominating this pair, pulling the price down. It's pretty obvious that the red candles are getting strong here. We're trading lower. Going further, the Australian and the Canadian dollar, both indicators signal a drop with powerful red candles dominating. It's as if all the buyers have left the asset. Let's go with lower. Before we continue, let me tell you something. In trading, if you want to see consistent profits every month, you need an experienced mentor. Early in my trading career, I spent 3 years at Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway. I had an amazing mentor who had me analyzing charts day in and day out. In trading, the key is to latch onto someone with big results and do what they say. Just copy them. That's 90% of your success right there. I'm giving you that chance right now. Every day I trade live. All you have to do is follow my actions, that's it. In my Telegram channel, I share all my trades, explain each entry and exit step by step, and show how you can get the same results I do. 15,000 people are already on board, earning every day alongside me. Now you can be part of that community. All you need to do is follow the link in the description of the video and subscribe to my Telegram channel. But note that access to my live sessions and signals is still free, and I don't know how long that will last. Don't miss out, subscribe now, start copying my trades, and let's make it happen together. See you on Telegram. $4,106 in my account. Amazing. Let's keep going. The situation looks similar for the Australian dollar and bucks. Both indicators and candle patterns suggest a price drop. Let's ride the wave down. Today we're utilizing excellent indicators as promised earlier. Here they are. The ISI helps gauge the market sentiment. Its value scale allows you to assess the overall trend strength as well as the current level of oversold or overbought assets. The stochastic is highly effective in predicting price changes, making it ideal for anticipating upcoming impulses and the direction of candle movements. And just like that, we've surpassed 5,000. My initial investment is now virtually safe. Let's wrap up the session on a high note. Aussie and the New Zealand dollar. Both are persistently driving the price higher. Stochastic indicates a continuation of the movement. That's it, incredible. This strategy is truly mind-blowing. 5,946. From a beginner to a trading pro, my 7-year journey proves that anything's possible. Join in or you'll miss out. Just kidding, there's plenty of fish in the sea for everyone, and there will always be room for new victories. But I really hope you begin your journey to the top right now. Link in the description and the first pinned comment.